GOGO M15 electric motorbike unboxing assembly. Unboxing the GOGO M5. Hold the front wheel and lift the bike out of the foam. Lower the kickstand to stabilize the bike. Remove all protective foam and zip ties. Important: the charger and installation tools are packed inside the foam around the front wheel. Don't forget to check before discarding the packaging. Let's install the handlebar. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws from the handlebar clamp. Step 2. Position and align the handlebar. Insert the screws, but don't tighten them yet. Step 3. Adjust the handlebar to a comfortable height. Step 4. Tighten all 4 screws diagonally. Turn on the power and test the functions.